Today we'll be looking at these lovely ferns right here. Of course, as you can see right away, they are artificial and you can use them indoor or outdoor, anywhere you like, by the window, in your garden, in your room. You can hang them as well. So of course, as they arrive, you'll need to expand them, since they will be squeezed a little bit. But once they are expanded just a little bit, they should look great. And that's how it looks like once it's a little bit more expanded. Of course, you can go as far as you want. You can put them in, as you can see, anywhere you'd like. They are very flexible and they are staying in place once you stretch them just a little bit. And yeah, I really love it. If you're looking from far away, I think you'll be able to think this is a real fern. Of course it's not, but I mean, at least it's not going to die, right? So I really love it. The quality overall is really good. There's no odor to it. So yeah, I mean, I'm happy with it. It's not looking very fake, it's not shiny like all the artificial plants are. And yeah, I love it.